Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lauren, and today we're going to be going over the top 2019 electric double ovens. My number 3 pick right now, this is a Samsung. This is the NE59J 7800. So going to the cooktop on this guy, this one has 3 expandable elements. It's got the 6, 9, 12 inch fast boil element. It also has your bridge zone. So you could actually cook with this. If you have a griddle or electric griddle, you can cook with this entire area. It also has a warming center. It's not going to heat, it's not going to boil necessarily, but it'll keep things warm while you have a lot of things going on the cooktop. Moving into the interior on the oven, this is a Flex Duo oven. So to activate these, this opens up by itself, or if you pull this trigger here, this one also has another spot. So you could actually use this as a double oven. And this is convection on the top and the bottom on these ovens. So you could actually have 2 separate fans, and you can control 2 separate temperatures on these. And that brings me to my number 2 piece. Alright guys, this brings me to my number 2 piece. This is a KitchenAid double oven. This is the model number on this guy. Sorry I did not look. It's a KFED 500. It's a really popular model in the KitchenAid line. So similar cooktop, except this is missing the bridge zone from what we saw in the Samsung. These are higher wattage elements. That's why the reason you see that most MSRP are going to be higher on this. This one does have your 6, 9, 12 inch expandable elements on this cooktop. This is going to be your main burner here. It also has your even heat ultra burner here, so this is your power boil element here. It also has your keep warm zone, similar to what we saw in the Samsung. The interior of this is a true double oven, so this one actually has, these are completely separate units. They use the blue material on this. This reflects light better, so when you're cooking, you can actually turn the oven light on. You can see how well it's cooked without having to open the door. So there's that. The bottom oven. This is a true European convection oven, so in the back it actually has a heating element inside the fan that will circulate all that hot air. It has your roller rack too, for when that turkey or whatever you're cooking is a little heavier, it just a little bit ease. And it also has no bake elements exposed on the bottom. Really popular model that we sell through KitchenAid. And that is my number 2 choice, guys, and let's move on to number 1. Alright guys, this brings us to our number 1 pick. This is an LG, this is the LDE 4415. The reason I bring it to the number 1 on this piece is because this one, the value on this, right now this one's going for $11.99. The 2 other ovens, that's almost $300 cheaper than the KitchenAid and $400 cheaper than the Samsung. So the value on this is pretty tremendous. The cooktop, at the top here we have the 6, 9, 12 inch. This does also have your pure HT glass, kind of hides smudges and splatters on this. And also in overuse, it kind of looks nicer versus the other ones. You might be able to tell the scratches and scuffs over time. This kind of hides stuff well. Also, you have the Ultra Heat Power Boil, just like the other 2 that you have. This one has your 6 and your 9 inch, but this one does have your higher wattage in this. The oven on this guy is actually split, so this is a more true split than the other 2. So these ones, you could actually have a turkey going in the top and also the bottom ovens with this unit. Also, LGs all have the Easy Clean feature. Basically, you have a squirt bottle that comes with the unit. You could spray the interior of that, and you just turn on your Easy Clean button here. And once you do that, it's a quick self-clean cycle. It's not too hard on the oven, and it works well. Alright guys, those are my top 3 choices for 2019 with electric ovens. Please subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.